Taylor Guitars is one of the strongest companies in our industry financially.
Taylor Guitars is quality.
The reason we are Taylor Guitars is because of our quality.
There's an incredible dedication to craftsmanship here.
It's a quality product. It's something that everybody is proud to be a part of.
We have a lot of very talented people here.
A host of tool makers, engineers,
Each of us have our own job to do,
marketing and production, finish specialists,
but we're all dependent on each other,
builders of all shapes and sizes.
and the quality has to stay up the whole way through the process.
That's why we are who we are, I think.
Hi, welcome to Taylor Guitars. I'm Bob Taylor.
Hi, I'm Kurt Listug. Bob Taylor and I started the company in 1974. Welcome to Taylor Guitars.
I'm Ronnie Lofton, and I've worked here for going on 7 years.
My name is Scott Winder. I've been here at Taylor Guitars for 9 years now.
Mi nombre es Mónica Martínez y soy la secretaria de Recursos Humanos.
My name's Aaron Dablo. I am going on 7 years of working at Taylor Guitars, and it feels like 6 weeks. It just goes by that fast.
My name is Andy Lund, and this is my 7th year.
Me llamo Armando Silva. Tengo 3 años trabajando en Taylor Guitar.
My name is Keith Greenwood. I've been employed at Taylor now for 14 years.
My name is Megan Yance. I have worked here for 8 years.
I'm Peter Hutchison. I've worked at Taylor for about 4 years.
Mi nombre es Daniel Infante. Tengo 1 año, 7 meses trabajando en Taylor.
My name's Andy Powers. I'm the master guitar builder and guitar designer here at Taylor Guitars.
I started at Taylor in the final assembly department. Now I kind of do any and everything they need because of my knowledge and abilities.
The sales guys take the orders over the phones from the dealers, and they send the orders to me, and I enter all the orders.
Well, I'm responsible for the tobacco sunbursts, the cocobolo bursts, all the paint that you find on the guitar. That's what I do.
When I first started, they didn't know where to put me. They put me in body department, neck department, string up, final assembly. I was good with my hands, so they put me in the glue up area of final assembly and string up. And then I worked my way to repair department.
Taylor Guitars was established in 1974 by Bob Taylor and Kurt Listug. Over time, the company has evolved from a small shop into one of the world's leading manufacturers of premium acoustic and electric guitars. Headquartered in El Cajon, California, Taylor Guitars employs over 700 people and currently produces hundreds of guitars per day in its state-of-the-art factory complexes in both El Cajon, California and in Tecate, Mexico, as well as its ebony mill in Cameroon. The company maintains an active dealer network with Taylor Guitars available in over 800 retail locations in North America and international distribution to 60 countries, some from the company's distribution warehouse in Amsterdam. Taylor currently makes over 100,000 acoustic and electric guitars per year and is regarded by players and other guitar makers as an industry leader.
I would describe Taylor as a company, as an extremely dynamic company. Things change here every day.
Very few companies get to work with something that hasn't changed very much over the last 200 years, but we keep coming up with a new and interesting way to do it.
We are innovative in many, many ways, and you can only do that when you have the ability to think on your feet and pick up and change directions.
Taylor is renowned for its innovative thinking and has blended modern technology with a master craftsman's attention to detail. As a result, our guitars are widely regarded as some of the best sounding, easiest to play, and most beautifully made in the world. The company pioneered the use of computer technology, lasers, and other high-tech tools and machinery to make guitars with greater precision and consistency than ever before. Among Taylor's many innovations are the patented new technology neck, the first major innovation in construction of the acoustic guitar in the last 100 years, and the award-winning Expression System pickup, a groundbreaking approach to amplifying an acoustic guitar. The early days were difficult, but Bob and Kurt's perseverance would eventually lead to success.
So it was 1974, Kurt and I were working together in a little guitar shop called the American Dream Guitars, and that little shop came up for sale.
We put together a business plan. We went to our families, asked to borrow the money, and on October 15th, 1974, Bob and I put together $10,000 for the purchase. That included our working capital and $3,700 to Sam for his equipment to help him pay some bills.
Sam was a great guitar builder, and that's where I started my whole career. I learned to build guitars from Sam. He was a great inspiration to us, and we took it from there.
I found my niche, which was sales and marketing, and finance and accounting.
And every single week we would get a guitar made and get a guitar sold, and the money that came in was enough to keep our nose above water, barely.
We started in 1974. It wasn't until 1988 that we actually were weekly able to pay ourselves a living wage.
We found dealers around the United States that loved our guitars. And what they loved about our guitars more than anything was how easy our guitars were to play.
So I would be gone sometimes for 2 months at a time, out driving around the country, showing guitars to people in music stores, trying to find dealers that liked our guitars enough to want to take a chance on us, buy a few and become a Taylor guitar dealer.
The first dream was guitars, but we did have another dream, and that was so that we could have a respectable company that could employ people, and that's one of the reasons why you're here today. And we've worked hard over the years, and we've become quite successful. We have employees all over the world now. Here in El Cajon, we've got hundreds of employees down in Tecate. We have employees in Amsterdam, and we have 75 Africans working for us in our Cameroonian country.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Over the years, Taylor's developed an incredibly diverse guitar line that features nearly 200 different models, including both acoustic and electric guitars. The company's flagship Grand Auditorium acoustic body style is loved for its versatility, while the Grand Symphony has given players a rich, bold voice. Taylor helped create the travel guitar category with the development of the 3/4 size Baby Taylor, and later followed it up with a popular and portable GS Mini. In recent years, Taylor has expanded its guitar line to include a full range of electric guitars. In 2005, the revolutionary electric acoustic hybrid T5 was introduced. In 2008, Taylor introduced a solid body electric series, which features all proprietary design, including solderless pickups that can easily be swapped for other pickup configurations to change the guitar's palette of tones. And in 2010, the semi-hollow body T3 joined the electric line. At the beginning, the company made only a few hundred guitars each year. These days, Taylor makes over 100,000 guitars per year. And despite the company's growth and success, the close-knit relationships that employees share with one another remains a vital part of the culture.
After I'd only been here 3 months and I was still a receptionist, I remember Bob had walked in to go to a meeting. And when he left the building, he turned around and said, "Bye, Megan." And I was just like, wow, you actually know my name. That's awesome. And I feel like that's just how it is. Like, they're very aware of what's going on with their employees and they care about us, you know?
It's quite a thing to come here every morning and get some coffee and get started because you have no idea what the day is going to hold for you.
Pues siempre me ha gustado la música y las guitarras que hace Taylor son muy bonitas. Fue lo que me llamó la atención de eso.
It's an enjoyable company. There's such a diverse range of people here with so many backgrounds and so many walks of life that we're always constantly learning from each other.
I would work for $3 an hour if I could do this job. It's just so much fun. The people here are great. The culture is great.
It's so fun to come to work every day just to be with those people.
Everybody here is positive and they work together as a team. It's quite an awesome thing to be part of.
Taylor is a family.
Taylor para mí es, pues es una, como le digo, es una segunda casa, ¿no?
It's a great place to work and
Fascinante, porque pues es una actividad interesante y no haces lo mismo todos los días.
It's just a fun, enjoyable place to be.
I said like the ideal job.
The environment, the atmosphere, the people, it's huge. It's like I wake up and I'm actually look forward to going to work every day and hang out with my friends, kind of, you know.
I've had coworkers fly all the way to Louisiana to come to my wedding, and we get together for Thanksgiving. I mean, 40 or 50 of us.
Basically all of my friends now are from here.
I would have never thought that I would be painting guitars for a living, but now that I am, I could say it's my dream job.
So I think, as you can see, we're very dedicated to what we're doing here. We're very passionate about this business.
We take care of the company, and the company takes care of us, and you can do the same thing.
You do the job, and the title and the pay will follow up.
You have tasks and jobs that you have to do, but you also have the ability to interject your own spirit and your own beliefs into performing your jobs.
Listen carefully to what's asked of you, to understand what's needed and wanted from you as an employee, and work very hard to do that.
We've had employees that really want to help as long as they get to define what that help is. But in reality, you need to let the group, your coworkers, your boss, define what help is needed.
Everybody here is so good at what they do. You can learn so much from everybody, even from, you know, the janitor up.
Master your skill. Whatever job you do here, master it because it will be noticed.
Stay focused, do your work, follow directions, and it's worth it on the long run, you know, like good benefits.
I remember when we had our first paid holiday, or when we had our very first medical insurance.
Or when we decided to have a 401k, or decided to have an employee Christmas party.
Every one of those things were hard won.
The careful craftsmanship that goes into each Taylor has inspired many leading artists to make Taylor their guitar of choice. Musicians from all genres play Taylor guitars, including Dave Matthews, Jason Mraz, Taylor Swift, Zach Brown, the Goo Goo Dolls, and many others.
I'm gonna ride this plane out of your life again. I wish that I could stay, but you argued.
And I don't know how it gets better than this. You take my hand and drag me head first, fearless.
Can you take me higher? It's never over. Yesterday's just a memory. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure there's no need to.
While there are many famous faces behind Taylor guitars, we also strive to nurture the musicians of tomorrow. Through our Taylor Guitars for Schools program, the company donates guitars to elementary and high schools across San Diego County. Since its inception in 2000, the company has donated over 2,000 instruments, benefiting over 40,000 kids in our community. We're also proud supporters of the USO, Wounded Warriors, and many other charities across the nation.
I travel all around the world, and many times I'm in an event where I open up a brand new guitar that's never been played. You open it up and it's been shipped halfway around the world. You open the box and it's in tune, and it plays like it's ready to go to a gig. And that's because you've got 600 people that are here making guitars, and from the product development to the planning of the marketing to the actual construction of the guitars to the final assembly, all those people are quality people, and that's why you can open up that box and rock that guitar immediately.
The more you learn, the better not only your job will be, it'll be easier for you to do your job.
And if you do that, then our company will grow, and we'll all be pulling in the same direction.
And you'll be rewarded.